The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello my dears, how's everything? Stay happy and keep smiling. In the last video, I asked one puzzle, right? So many children sent me the correct answer, 63. Keep it up, dears. Today we are going to do another simple game related to this chapter, repeated multiplication. For that, first get some coins. Okay? Then count the value. That means add the coins. Okay? Then double the amount. Double means 2 times. Double the amount. Then add the first odd prime number to it. Okay? Then first find out 1 by 4 of 20. Then multiply it with the result. You got one answer, right? That into what is 1 by 4 of 20? Find the answer and multiply this. Okay? Then subtract LCM of 2 and 3. First find out the LCM of 2 and 3 and then that answer subtract from this final result. Okay. So I will get one answer now, right? Then take off the last digit. That means if it is 109, you strike off 9. Then you will get remaining 10 here. That means you have taken 10 rupees. Right? So children, play this with your family. Okay? Children, today's first topic is power of powers. Okay? It's very easy topic. So first 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 multiplied here? 3 times, right? That is why we can write 2 raised to 3 or 2 cubed. Now 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3 is equal to how many times 2 raised to 3 multiplied? 2 times. So 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 2. 2 raised to 3, write like this. How many times 2 raised to 3 multiplied? 2 times. So 2 raised to 3 whole square. What does this mean? 2 raised to 3 whole square is equal to 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3. We have already learned x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. Right? So x raised to m plus n means 2 raised to 3 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 6. Right? So here 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 2 means 2 raised to 3 into 2 is equal to 2 raised to 3 into 2 is equal to 2 raised to 6. See this answer? 2 raised to 3 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 6 or 2 raised to 3 whole square is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 2 raised to 6. Easy, right? So we can write this as a rule. X raised to m whole raised to n is equal to x raised to m into n. X raised to m into n is equal to x raised to mn. X can be any number and m and n are natural numbers. Natural numbers means from 1 onwards. Okay, not 0. So here x raised to m whole raised to n is equal to x raised to m into n. Here only m into n is coming. Only for power of powers m into n. X raised to m into x raised to n. What is x raised to m into x raised to n? Is equal to x raised to m plus n. See, here only for the power we are multiplying here m into n. Here just adding m plus n. Here multiplying m into n. Keep in mind this always. Okay. So, x raised to m whole raised to n is equal to x raised to m into n is equal to x raised to mn. Clear, children? Now, let us do the problems based on this. Okay, before that you have to write the yellow box in page number 64. X raised to m whole raised to n is equal to x raised to m n for any number x and any natural numbers mn. This yellow box you must write in your notebook. The question I will read now. Now, can you write these as a single power? That is the question. 4 questions are there. 2 I will do. 2 questions, do it as homework. First question you do it as homework. Second question I will do. 3 cube whole square into 9 raised to 4. 3 cube whole square. What is x raised to m whole raised to n is equal to x raised to m into n is equal to x raised to mn, right? So, 3 cube whole square is equal to 3 raised to 3 into 2 is equal to 3 raised to 6. Then 3 raised to 3 whole square into 9 raised to 4. So, 3 raised to 3 whole square into 9 raised to 4 we can write like that. So, how can we write that? 3 raised to 6 into 9 raised to 4 is equal to 3 raised to 6 into 9 raised to 4. 9, how can we write it? 3 square, right? 3 square is equal to 9. 3 square, then this 4 is equal to 3 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 2 into 4. X raised to m whole raised to n is equal to x raised to mn. So, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So, 3 raised to 8 is equal to 3 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 8. X raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n, like that. So, 3 raised to 6 plus 8 is equal to 3 raised to 14. Okay. Then children, third question. 1 by 2 whole cube whole raised to 4 is equal to x raised to m whole raised to n is equal to x raised to m into n equal to x raised to mn. So, half raised to 3 into 4 is equal to half raised to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Okay. Next, fourth question, do it as homework. So, second and fourth question, do it as homework. Okay. Now, next question, write each of these as powers of different numbers. First one, 3 raised to 8. We have already learned the factors, right? What are the factors of 8? You know that 1 into 8 is equal to 8, 2 into 4 is equal to 8, 1 into 8 and 2 into 4. These 4 are the factors of 8, right? So, here we can write 3 raised to 8. How can we write this? 1 into 8, 3 raised to 1 into 8 is equal to 3 raised to 1. Then how many times? 8 times. Okay. Then 3 raised to 8 into 1, reverse this, is equal to 3 raised to 8 whole raised to how many times? 1 time. Then 3 raised to 2 into 4. 3 raised to 2 into 4 is equal to 3 square, write like that. How many times multiplied? 4. And then 3 raised to 4 into 2. How many times 3 raised to 4 multiplied? 2 times. Then what is 3 raised to 1? 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3 only. So you will get 3 raised to 8. That is the question itself, right? So no need to write this too. This is just for explanation only, okay? Then 3 raised to 8 into 1 is equal to 3 raised to 8 whole raised to 1 is equal to 3 to the power 8. 3 into 3 into 3 into up to 8 times. What will be the answer? 6561. 6561. Then 3 square whole raised to 4. What is 3 square? This is 6561 whole raised to 1. If it is not writing also, no problem. 6561 whole raised to 1 or 6561 is same only. Then 3 square whole raised to 4. 3 square means 9. 9 to the power 4. Then 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 equal to 3 into 3, 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 into 3, 81. So 81 square. So which are the another powers of 3 raised to 8? 6561 whole raised to 1, 9 raised to 4 and 81 square. Okay, is it clear, children? So children, 3 raised to 8 is equal to this step. No need to write this step. This is just for explanation. This also, it is bigger number, so that also not compulsory. But these two you must write. Okay, these two you must write. 3 raised to 2 into 4 and 3 raised to 4 into 2 you must write. These two are not compulsory. Now children, second question, 4 raised to 6. Second question, 4 raised to 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 into 6 equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. Right? So 4 raised to 6, how many ways we can write? 4 raised to 1 into 6 and 4 raised to 6 into 1 is equal to 4 raised to 1 whole raised to 6 equal to 4 raised to 6, this only. So no need to write this. Then 4 raised to 6 into 1 is equal to 4 raised to 6, write like this, and then whole raised to 1 is equal to, what is 4 raised to 6, children? Is equal to 4096. 4096. Then 4 raised to 2 into 3. 4 raised to 2 into 3 and 4 raised to 3 into 2 is equal to 4 square. Write like that. And then how many times? 3 times. Is equal to 4 square equal to 16 cube. And then here 4 cube. 4 cube. How many times? 2 times. Is equal to 4 cube means 4 into 4 16. 16 into 4 is equal to 64. 64 whole square. Okay. So the answer is 4096 whole raised to 1, 16 cube and 64 square. Okay. And these two are compulsory. These two are not compulsory. Okay. 1 and 6 are not compulsory, but in between you must write. And then here 4 itself we can make factors, right? 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 4 and 2 and 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. We can write. So here you can write, instead of 4, you can write 2 raised to 2 and then 6 is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 6. What is 2 into 6? 12. So 2 raised to 12. So we can write 4 raised to 6 as 4096 whole raised to 1, 16 cube, 64 square and 2 raised to 12. These are the ways we can write this as powers of different numbers. So children, third question and fourth question are homework. 2 raised to 15 and 5 raised to 12. Third and fourth are homework. Third and fourth are homework. Okay, next topic is factors. We have already learned factors, right? So just write what are the factors of 64. First question, 64. What are the factors of 64? We have already studied this. 1 into 64 equal to 64. 2 into 32 is equal to 64. And then 3 table 64 is there? No. Then 4 table, 4 16s are 64. 5 table, there is no 64. 6 table also no 64. 7 table no. 8 table, 8 into 8 is equal to 64. Right? Then here if 8 into 8 the same number, so stop this. So then 9, 10, 11 no 64 is coming, then 16 only, then 32, 64 only. So which are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 8, 8 is there, then 16, 32 and 64. These are the factors of 64. How can you do the same thing in prime factorization method? 64. Take the smallest prime number 2, then 32, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 and 1. Right? This is the prime factorization method. Okay? So how can you write here? 64 is equal to, with the help of powers. 1, 1 only, 2, 2 raised to 1, 1 means 1, 2 means 2 raised to 1, 4 means 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 6. Right? So this method also we will get the same. 1, then 2, then take these 2. So 2 square, then these 3, so 2 cube, these 4 2's, 2 raised to 4, 5 2's, 2 raised to 5, 6 2's, 2 raised to 6. Okay. So here how can you write? 1, this is 1, then 2 raised to 1, no need to write. This one either you can write 2 or 2 raised to 1. Then 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 6. You can do prime factorization and then how many times 2 multiplied here? 64 is equal to, how can you write this? 2 into 2 into up to 6 times. So you will get 2 raised to 6. Right? So you can write like that. The factors of 64 are 1. 1 is the factor of every number, right? So 1, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3 up to 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 means 1 and then 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 up to 2 raised to 6. Okay. Then children, second question you do it as homework 125. Then third question 48. 48. Do prime factorization first. 2, which is the smallest prime number? 2. So 2 into 24 is equal to 48. 2 12s are 24. 2 6s are 12 and then 2 3s are 6 and then 3 we have to take 3 only. So which are the factors of 48? Factors of 48 is equal to, how many times 2 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to 4 into 3. 2 raised to 4 into 3 is equal to 48. But in the previous question, all the numbers are 2. But here 3 also there. So how can you find out? So first write 1, 1 and then 2, then 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4. Here 2 raised to 4 is there. So 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4. Up to 2 raised to 4 you have to write. Then this 3, that is another number, right? So write here 3. Okay. Then write 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Then 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3. Then 2 cube into 3. 2 cube into 3. Then 2 raised to 4 into 3. Or you can write 3 into 2, 3 into 2 square, 3 into 2 cube, 3 into 2 raised to 4. This also you can write. So which are the factors of 48? 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4, then 3, then 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 8s are 48. Then 2 square into 3. 2 square means 4. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 12 4s are 48. Then 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 24 into 2 is equal to 48. Then 2 raised to 4. What is 2 raised to 4? 2 raised to 4 equal to 16. 16 into 3 is equal to 48. Okay. So these are the factors of 48. Then children, fourth question 45, that is homework. So 2 and 4. Question number 2 and 4 are homework. Then fifth question. Fifth question is 105. So 105. So which is the smallest prime number? 2. 2 is divisible? No, because the last digit is 5. 2 is an even number. So all the multiples of 2 ends in even number, right? So 2 is not divisible. Next prime number is 3. So we can take 3. How many times 3 goes in 105? 3 3s are 9, then 15, 3 into 5. Then 5 times only 2 and 3 are not going, so 5. 5 7s are 35, then 7 and 1. So children, here 105 is equal to, what is that? 3 into 5 into 7. So how can you write the factors here? We cannot write like this because here square, cube and all was there. Here nothing is there. Only 3, 5, 7. So how can you write this? So first write 1. 1 is a factor of every number. So write 1. Then what is this number? 3 is a factor. 5 is a factor. 7 is a factor. Okay. Then 3 into 5 also a factor. 3 into 5. Then 3 into 7 also one factor. 3 into 7. Then 5 into 7 also another factor. Then 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7. So 1 is a factor of every number. 105 is divisible by 3. 105 is divisible by 5. 105 is divisible by 7. And 105 is divisible by 3 into 5. That means divisible means if you divide, you will not get any remainder. That means remainder is 0. And then 105 is divisible by 3 into 7 is equal to 21. then 105 is divisible by 35, and then 105 by 105 is equal to 1. Okay, is this clear, children? First write 1, then 3, 5, 7 separately write, then 3 into 5, 3 into 7, okay, then 5 into 7, then 3 into 5 into 7. Is this clear, children? Now we are going to do the last exercise of this chapter. This is very easy exercise. Let's do it. First question is, if 2 raised to x is equal to 128, what is 2 raised to x plus 1? First question is, 2 raised to x is equal to 128. What is 2 raised to x plus 1? So 2 raised to x is given to 128. What is 2 raised to x plus 1? 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to what? We have already learned that x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. X raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n, right? This is x raised to m plus n form. So how can we write like this? X raised to m, that is 2 raised to x into x raised to n, that is 2 raised to 1, right, is equal to, what is 2 raised to x? It is given to 128 into 2 raised to 1. What is 2 raised to 1? Any number to the power 1 is equal to that number itself. So 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. 128 into 2 is equal to 256. Is this clear, children? Now the second question is, if 3 raised to x equal to 729, what is 3 raised to x minus 1? That you do it as homework. Only difference is here minus x minus 1 and 3. So x raised to m divided by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n. So do that. Okay. Then third question. In 3 raised to x, 3 raised to x plus 1, 3 raised to x minus 1 and 3 raised to x plus 1, which is an even number. 3 raised to x, 3 raised to x plus 1, 3 raised to x minus 1 and 3 raised to x plus 1. Here the exponent is x, here exponent is x plus 1, exponent is x minus 1, here exponent is only x and then plus 1. That is the question. So 3 raised to any number you can put. Check 3 raised to, suppose x equal to 2. So 3 square is equal to 9. Suppose this x is equal to 2 means 3 raised to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 cube is equal to what? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Here 3 raised to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3. And here 3 raised to x, what we have taken as x is equal to 2. So 3 raised to 2 plus 1 is equal to, what is 3 square is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. What is the question? Which is an even number? So 9 is an even number? No, it is odd number. 27 odd number, 3 also odd number. So which is an even number? 10 is an even number, right? So which is the even number here? 10. 10 is the only even number here. So this is the answer. 3 raised to x plus 1 is an even number. Okay. Then the next question. if 6 raised to 10 is computed, what would be the digit in ones place? What is 6 raised to 1, children? 6 raised to 1 is equal to 6. 6 raised to 2 is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Like that, if you compute 6 raised to 10, what would be the digit in ones place? Ones place, if it is 6 raised to 10 also, if it is 6 raised to 100 also, the ones place will be 6 only. Okay, find out 6 raised to 3, 6 raised to 4, 6 raised to 5, etc. Okay, then fifth question is, if 5 raised to 6 into 1 by 5 raised to x is equal to 1 by 5 raised to 10, then what is x? If 5 raised to 6 into 1 by 5 raised to x is equal to 1 by 5 whole raised to 10, then what is x? This is the question. 5 raised to 6 into 1 by 5 raised to x is equal to 1 by 5 raised to 10, then what is x? We have to find out this x, right? So before doing that, 3 into dash is equal to 12. 3 into dash is equal to 12. You know that it is 4, right? How did you get that 4? 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Right? Like that, here we need to find this x. So keep this term here and we have to write 1 by 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 6 like this. Okay. So 1 by 5 raised to x, this term is equal to 1 by 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 6. What is 5 raised to 6? How can you write this as fraction? 5 raised to 6 by 1. Any number divided by 1 is equal to that number itself, right? So like that, so 1 by 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 6 by 1. So how can you divide the fraction? Take the reciprocal and then multiply. So 1 by 5 raised to 10 into, here division changed into multiplication. Then reciprocal means this 1 will go up and 5 raised to 6 will come down, right? So 1 by 5 raised to 6 is equal to, what is 1 by 5 raised to 10 into 1 by 5 raised to 6? We know that x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n, right? So 1 by 5 raised to 10 plus 6 is equal to 1 by 5 raised to 16. So 1 by 5. After that you must write this. 1 by 5 raised to x is equal to 1 by 5 raised to 16. So what is the value of x? 1 same like that, 5 also same. So only you need to find out the value of x. So x is equal to 16. Okay. Is this clear, children? Children, let's do the last question. Simplify. 3 questions are there. 2 questions you do it as homework. Third question I will do. First 2 you do it as homework. Third question, 6 raised to 4 whole square into 6 raised to 5 whole cube divided by 6 square whole square into 6 raised to 4 whole raised to 5. What is the answer? 6 raised to 4 whole square means 6 raised to 4 into 2 is equal to 6 raised to 8 into 6 raised to 5 into 3 means 15 divided by 2 into 2 4. So 6 raised to 4 into 4 into 5 20. 6 raised to 20. is equal to 6 raised to 8 into 6 raised to 15. X raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. So 6 raised to 8 plus 15 divided by 6 raised to 4 plus 20 is equal to, what is 8 plus 15? 8 plus 15 is equal to 6 raised to 23 divided by 6 raised to 20 plus 4 equal to 24. 6 raised to 24. Children, can we apply here x raised to m divided by x raised to n rule? Yes, but one condition is there here. This is m, this is n, m is smaller. So, how to do this? 1 divided by x raised to n minus m. Why n minus m? Because n is greater, right? So, you can write this as 1 divided by x means 6 raised to n minus m, that is 24 minus 23 is equal to 1 by 24 minus 23 is equal to 1. 6 raised to 1 equal to 6. So, the answer is 1 by 6. Is this clear, children? One more small topic is there, that is perfect numbers. What are perfect numbers? Suppose find the factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1 into 6, 6. 2 into 3, 6. Right? If you add these three numbers other than 6, you will get 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Right? So, 6 is a perfect number. Okay. Next, children, let's take 28. What are the factors of 28? 1 into 28 is equal to 28. 2 into 14 is equal to 28. 3 table 28 is there? No. 4 table? Yes. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. And then 5, 6, no? Then again 7. So, which are the factors of 28? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28 are the factors of 28. Now, add these 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 14 is equal to 28, right? So, if you add all the other factors except 28, you will get the same answer, that is perfect number. So, sum of the factors except the number itself. That means except the number itself. This is the number, right? So, except the number itself, sum of these factors are called perfect numbers. So, here 6 also, 28 also perfect numbers. So, find out the next two perfect numbers. Okay. So, children, this is the end of our 4th chapter, repeated multiplication. This is very easy chapter, right? So, we'll meet you in the next class with another interesting chapter, area of triangle. Until then, bye. Thank you.